Okay, welcome to the first series of demo, ClickBoss demo days, right? I'm gonna do demo days online, and I'm gonna share with you guys how it's progressing as a tool, right? So today is the first day of demo day, and I'm going to explore ClickBoss with Google Analytics data in the theme of audits, right? How audits can be done and things like that. So we'll run one prompt and see how it goes. Course, yeah, let's start with. So when you basically log in, you see this as a feature as your screen. You have this new chat, and you have these two prompts saved according to your data. So you only have two prompts saved right now. So let's say we can say detect non-production domains in GA. Okay, so I can basically click on this, and then I'll probably just push it. Okay, so now it's connecting to GA4 and it's fetching the data. Okay, so it's generating response now, and yeah, I think it's pretty much okay. Perfect. So it shows me there's a traffic coming in from clickboss.ai, which is basically the genuine one. Then there's another one which is Webflow, and the other one is iGlowa. Okay, I have to see what is this. Okay, that's something new I find out. And then there's no dev staging test domains detected. Okay, so it's probably not detecting clickboss.webflow.io as a staging page, which is fine in some cases. So yeah, so because I'm having a different website there, but yeah, it could be set as a Webflow thing. Okay, so that's it. It shows you from which domain your GA4 is getting traffic from, and then it can detect if it's a staging domain, if it's not a staging domain. I think it's pretty useful when it comes to auditing the data, because that's what I do. And when I audit the data, I first of all make sure that the data is not coming from something which is on my website, right? So maybe my GA code is lying on somewhere. A lot of problems happens is staging. So it's trained on the staging in dev. A lot of times developers forget to replace the tag IDs, or they just copy paste it, or that kind of stuff. And that really, so we can create filters, but to reach out when you start a project, you don't know this. So I think this is where it helps. It tells you the insights about the account. I just use it for another client as well. So yeah, that's it. That's, I think, one of the use cases of ClickBoss with GA4 auditing series.